Mom, you got the camera?
I'm recording right now.
He's taking off, bro. Look at him.
Oh my gosh, come on. Look at his legs. He looks like an octopus. There we go. He's upside down. He's upside down. He got him. He's tired.
Tangling himself.
He's so tired.
Who's going to untangle him?
You're going to saw it across the shell and snap it. Be careful. It's the only problem, dude. That head gets
There we go. You got it.
Yeah.
He has a fish head.
Okay, please don't get hurt, guys.
We're not going to the hospital.
Let him take it.
We're not going to the hospital.
You don't have a choice.
We're not going to the hospital.
Take the whole thing.
He's not really that strong.
Yeah, but he's crazy. Come on, let's go. Little cheerleader. Come on. Let's go.
You don't really catch him.
Mom,
You
this
just
is
grab
so
a towel.
hard.
Put it over him and scoop him up.
Here, you can use my shirt.
Which one do you want to use?
The blue one.
Here. Here.
Come on, you got it. You can't let him go.
Pull him back just a little bit.
You hear
He
him?
hissed at
You
you.
hear him? He's mad.
You made him angry. Baby, please keep your fingers.
Use the towel. Use the towel. Yes, you got it. Oh my gosh, you got him.
That neck will come all the way back to his tail. Drop him and towel him.
What?
Dude, drop him and towel him. I'm telling you, he will bite you from there. I'm good, I got it. He will bite you.
Oh.
Dude, he will bite you from there.
Leave me alone.
Crappy, get away. He'll take your finger off from there.
Carlos,
Don't
take the
fuck with him.
towel.
I got it.
No, take it.
Get away from me with that.
Callie.
First time? He's got a big mouth.
It's not his first time at this rodeo.
Dude, that neck will come back to that tail.
Dude, he ain't getting me, trust me. Me and Chris used to catch these in summer.
There's the long neck.
Look at his nails.
Here, babe.
Well, let me give.